Hi, I'm Catherine from OvenGleamers, and our customers are always asking us questions about our service. So this video is going to answer all of those questions for you. I hope they help. What do we do when we come in to clean your oven? Well, our oven gleaner will come in, he'll put a protective covering on the floor, then he'll start to disassemble your oven. He'll take the door off, and we even take the door apart to clean between the glass if it's not a sealed unit. In the oven itself, he'll take the racks out, he'll take the internal walls out, and he'll take the fan off at the back, and those will get taken into a tank that's in the van where it all gets degreased. While that's being degreased, the oven gleaner will come back into your home and he'll clean all those exposed surfaces that are left there, even above the grill element. You know, you get all the yucky stuff on the roof. He cleans all that off as well. Once that's done, he goes back to the van, rinses off the bits there, brings them back into the house, assembles it all back up together again, so you don't have to do that yourself, gives it a final gleam, and then it's all done.
So the price that you're quoted is a fully inclusive price. That includes the whole oven clean, and it includes the grill pans, and also if we have to replace any bulbs, it includes the replacement of the bulb.
We do ask for payment in advance, because just like you pay for your shop in advance and you pay for your airline in advance, we want to make sure that you actually want our service, and we want to give that quality service to you and produce the best oven clean that we can for you. And rest assured that we will turn up, because that's one of our guarantees. If there's any little issue that running late or anything, we will let you know. Absolutely guaranteed.
Yes, it is. So we use a eco-cleaning process in your home, which is unusual in oven cleaning companies. We use a process where we clean your oven cold, and we use a vegetable cleaning paste, which means that it's safe for your oven, it's safe for your work surfaces, it's safe for your floor, and it's completely safe for animals, pets, and also it's safe for our operative. So it means that we don't have to wear any sort of safety gear when we're cleaning your oven, and it means that we can do it all in a safe process.
Here at OvenGleamers, we pride ourselves in offering you the safest oven cleaning service. We also bring everything with us that we need to do the job. You won't see us traipsing in with two great big buckets to nickel your hot water. You won't see live gas flames firing away on your driveway. And you won't have a bag of rubbish left in your kitchen when we're finished. We have everything we need to do the job. We take our rubbish away with us as well. And the products that we use are super safe. There's no damaging of your ovens, and there's no harmful bits that will hurt your floor or any of your surfaces, or even you, your pets, or our oven gleaner. So use OvenGleamers for the safest oven cleaning service for you.
We clean ovens to the highest standard. We've trained all of our franchisees and employees to the same high standard, and we ensure that they can deliver that standard before they start cleaning ovens.
Here at OvenGleamers, we have 3 distinct customer guarantees. First and foremost, we will turn up. We promise to turn up, and we'll let you know if there's any issues of us being late or anything like that. Also, we offer the safest oven cleaning service that there is, using our eco-friendly based cleaning service. That is backed up by our 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. So heaven forbid, if anything's just not quite right, you give us a call, we'll come back free of charge and sort it all out absolutely for you. Satisfaction guaranteed is what we want for you.